Okay, let me explain to you a little bit. This is old one, got two connector, both are 18 pin, right? Number 2 has more wires, number 1 has less wires. You can check in your photo. The 4 pin 4 wires is number 1, so I put 1-7, 1-8, 1-5, 1-6. Okay, this is the number 1 connector, this is number 2 connector. So number 2 connector got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 wires. Okay, so more wires is number 2, less wire is number 1. This is the new one. New one got 3 connector, A, B, and C. Okay, but I don't know which one is A, which one is B. You know, this is I hardly can recognize which one is A, which one is B, because they are identical. But anyway, for example, we treat one side as A, one side as B. Then what we need to do is number 2. This is a 2.1. That means the old one, the pin 1, need to move to connector C2, connector C number 2, which is fuse 464. Okay, this is just a meaning. No need to do anything. Number 2, pin 9 is ground. So you need to go to C, connector C, number 4. Number 6, connector 2, number 6 goes to A28. Number 7 goes to A12. You understand? So this connector move to this connector. This 4. And then you need to add 1 wire. Add to C number 1, which goes to the fuse 459. Okay, fuse number 459. Okay, this is same 14 to connector A. Connector A is here. Okay, that connector C is here. So connect A 27, A 11. Then there are 4 wires from connector 1 of old one, 5, 6, 7, 8 goes to connector A 10, 26, 9, 25. Right? Clear? So what is important and maybe a bit difficult for you is these 2 connector, because the old one is CAN HMI. You see, it's CAN HMI, but new one you need to go to the CAN HMI 2. Okay, CAN HMI 2, CAN HMI 2. So this one need to go to the car system box, because your car, inside your car, don't have CAN HMI 2. Don't have. You must go to the car system box, find the CAN HMI 2. High, low and high. 4 is low, 5 is high. And you need to add 2 extra wire, which you don't understand. You ask me, connector A of 18. Okay, inside the old one don't have such wire, so you need to add one wire goes to the terminal 15M. You can choose any of the fuse, which are all okay. 100 and 109, 1 to 8, 1 to 9, 1 to 1, 1 to 2, 1 to 5, 1 to 3. You find any of the fuse. If it is empty, you can use it. If it is not empty, you tap it. Okay, this is for the one you don't understand one. Okay, and add another cable which is on the connector B. Only got 1 wire. Only got 1 wire on the connector B, which is number 25, because this car come with this M177 and M40. So this car must add this wire, because your car is M40 and M140. This is code. Okay, so this is in the trunk rear side. It's here. Okay, you can see this is in the trunk, in the rear right side. you can see this kind of switch box. Okay, you find the S21. Then you find this S21. Okay, then you will see this one, S21. This is S21. You will find this stuff. Then you need to connect this cable to number 8. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one, okay? Not this one. Then the job is done.